When it comes to improving your home, few upgrades make as big of an impact as new windows and doors. They're not just practical features, they set the tone for your home's style, energy efficiency, and safety. For homeowners in the villages, professional window replacement and door installation can completely transform a house, creating a more beautiful, secure, and comfortable living space. Style that elevates your home. Curb appeal matters. The right windows and doors instantly boost the overall appearance of your home, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of classic wooden frames, the sleek look of modern vinyl windows, or the sophistication of glass-paneled entry doors, today's designs offer endless possibilities. Windows come in a wide variety of styles: double-hung, casement, picture, and bay, to name just a few, each offering unique advantages. Imagine floor-to-ceiling windows that flood your living room with natural light, or a bay window that creates a cozy reading nook. For doors, customization is equally important. From bold front doors with decorative glass to sliding patio doors that connect indoor and outdoor living, these details define the personality of your home. Comfort and efficiency go hand in hand. Windows and doors are more than just decorative features. They play a crucial role in your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Older windows often let in drafts, which means your air conditioning or heating has to work harder. In the villages, where hot summers are the norm, this can quickly lead to higher utility bills. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that keep indoor temperatures stable. Features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler in summer and warmer in winter. The same goes for doors. Insulated and properly sealed doors keep out the elements while improving comfort. Over time, these upgrades pay for themselves through energy savings and lower maintenance needs. Security you can rely on. Peace of mind is priceless, and updated windows and doors can make a major difference in your home's safety. Outdated models may have weak locks, thin glass, or frames that are easy to tamper with. New installations are built with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems that enhance security. For instance, impact-resistant glass not only protects against break-ins but also shields your home from severe weather. Secure entry doors made of steel or fiberglass add another layer of protection, ensuring you and your loved ones feel safe at all times. When style and security work together, you get a home that's both inviting and well-guarded. A smart investment for the future. Upgrading your windows and doors isn't just about today, it's about tomorrow too. These improvements significantly increase your home's value, making it more attractive to future buyers should you ever decide to sell. Energy efficiency, stylish design, and enhanced security are features today's homeowners prioritize, and having them in place gives your property an edge in the market. Even if selling isn't in your plans, you'll enjoy the long-term benefits yourself. Less maintenance, better comfort, improved aesthetics, and lower energy bills are advantages that pay off year after year. Partnering with local experts. The Villages is known for its vibrant community and well-kept homes, and working with local window and door experts ensures that your project is completed with care and precision. Professionals understand the specific climate challenges of Central Florida and can recommend the best products for durability, energy efficiency, and style. With expert installation, you'll have confidence knowing your new windows and doors will perform at their best for years to come. Final thoughts: window replacement and door installation are more than just home improvement projects. They're investments in your lifestyle, comfort, and security. In the Villages, homeowners who upgrade enjoy spaces that are brighter, safer, and more energy efficient, all while boosting curb appeal. With the right combination of style and functionality, your home can truly shine, offering beauty and protection for the long run.